Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Hi, this is Muhammad Imran Hussain. Today, we are going to discuss about consumers in food chain. Before I start this lesson, I would like to discuss some important points, which is we already learned in our previous class. Our last class was about plants, all right? The food chain begin with plants. Like boys, everything that we do are animals, such as moving, breathing, eating, and sleeping. For this all things, we need energy. We get energy from food, and we get food from plants. Okay, boys. Some animals eat plants, and some animals eat animals. Okay. Boys, the plants are unique. Why the plants are unique? Because they produce their own food. Because of that, we call plants are unique and plants are producer. Animals and humans cannot make their own food. Because of that, we are the consumers plants. Okay, we are the consumers. Humans and animals is called a consumer. Now, look at here, consumers in food chain. Here's two words like predator and prey. So, boys, you have to understand the first thing, what is predator? A consumer that eat other animals. The consumer eat other animals that call predator, and which are they prey. Okay, and here is one more word is prey. So you have to understand what is prey also. An animal that is eaten by other animal, that's a prey. That animal is another animal is what? A predator. Okay, like boys, very well, some animals eat mainly plants. Okay, like goat, sheep, and cow, or many other animals that they eat plants. But some animals eat other animals. Some animals eat other animals. Other animals, and animals that eaten then eat other animals is called predator. The animal who eat other animal, that animals called a predator. The animals that it like or it kills and eats are, it is prey. So you have to look at here in this screen. I will show you. Here in your book, you can see many pictures. Okay. For example, here is a picture of wool. Okay. This is wool, which is I'm going to round up with green. This is wool. So wool is a predator. The wool is a predator, but you see here a mouse, which is I'm going to round up with my red pen. So this mouse is a prey, is the mouse. Prey is the mouse. This is mouse prey for wool. Wool is a predator. And one more example is here, boys, you can see on the screen, which is I'm going to share with you. Here you can see, this is frog. So boys, the frog has to be, frog is a predator. What is frog is a predator? Why frog is a predator? Because boys, frog eat insects. Frog eat insects. Here I will round for you. You can see here. I will use another pen. This is frog. This is what frog. Okay, frog eaten by frog eat insects. So frog is a predator and insects are prey for the frog. Okay. And now look at here. Here is a snake. You can see on the screen, a snake. So like the snake, same. The snakes are predator and snakes eat egg. So egg is a prey for snake. Okay. Now look at on the screen, which is I'm going to share with you. Sometimes there is more than one predator in a food chain. This is a, you can see here, hawk predator, lizard predator, and also a grasshopper also be a predator. You know the food chain. What is food chain, boys? Food chain is a system. Actually, what food chain is a system where small animals is the food for a large animal. Okay, it's a small animal food for a large animal. A small animal's food for a large animal. You have to understand. Here is a doubt, maybe to come to the students in their mind. So I would like to clear the doubt. Like boys, you know that plants are producers, right? If animal eat the plant, animal is a consumer, okay? But here in this lesson, we are discussing about predator and prey. Here you can see. Let me use the pen. Here, this is a pen. So the grasshopper, this is a grasshopper, okay? Grasshopper eats the plant. Grasshopper eats the plant, okay? Now see who eats the grasshopper. Let me use this one. Grasshopper eaten. Grasshopper eaten by, plant eaten by grasshopper, and you can see lizard eaten, grasshopper and lizard eaten by hawks. Okay. Here is a question: the plant is a predator or prey? No, plant is a prey for grasshopper. Grasshopper is here predator. Let me complete. The grasshopper eat the plant. So the plant is a prey for grasshopper. Okay. Then the grasshopper become the prey for the lizard, which is the predator. Then the lizard becomes the prey of the hawk, which is another predator. Okay. Now look at on the screen, page number 27. Here you can see the food chain. Okay, this is the challenge, like the Venus fly trap. This is the Venus fly trap. Catch a fly. What's this plant catch? This plants catch a fly. The Venus flytrap grows in a soil where in the soil which have few nutrients, it can make sugar from the sunlight like other plants, but it also traps flies and dissolves them. It uses nutrients from the fly body. Why is it so useful for the fly trap? The trap files can you find out the names of two more predator plants. Here, this fly, when fly Venus is a predator because this plant's prey is flies. Okay, so here you have to understand the common thing is predator are consumers that eat other animals. Animals eaten by predator are called they prey. Okay, boys, and I hope you understand this lesson. Have a nice day and grateful day, boys. Thank you so much for listening this.